Alright, go. I'm watching.
Up here. Mom, up here. Up here.
You got him?
Up here. Up here. Up here, son.
Wait, reel him in. Don't walk him. Whoa, must be a big one. Whoa. Don't let go of the pole. Colin, back up, bud.
Dad, help.
Huh? You got him. You got to lift the rod up and then reel down. And then reel down. There you go. Good job. Lift the rod up and then reel down. There you go. Now reel down. Reel down. Ooh, he's really pulling hard.
You can't do it.
Okay, you can do it. Here, you want me to help you a little bit?
Yeah, you a
Okay.
little bit.
Here. Okay. Lift. Now reel down fast. 1, 2, 3. Reel. Okay. Lift. Reel down. There you go. Lift. Oh, he's pulling hard. He's pulling hard. Lift. Reel down.
Dad,
All right.
I can't
All right.
do it.
Hold on. I'm gonna give you some help.